Get the tight body you deserve. Forskolin Helps. Burn fat tissues. Ignite your metabolism. Prevent fat synthesis. Build lean muscles. Ramp up energy levels. Get a smoking hot body, the easy way. Forskolin helps you win the battle. Burns fat. Forskolin helps burn the most stubborn fat from across the waist, thighs, and hips to help you build a slimmer body. Boosts energy. Forskolin burns fat to replenish energy stores across the body, and helps you raise your activity index and fitness level. Preserves muscle. Forskolin helps preserve and even build lean muscle mass that ensures that you only lose fat and none of the muscle. Balances mood. Forskolin regulates cortisol, the stress hormone in the body, to improve mood patterns and support mental clarity. What is Forskolin? The hottest weight loss solution. The powerhouse compound, Forskolin, is found in the roots of the Coleus forskohlii plant, an herb that belongs to the mint family. Researchers have discovered that pure Forskolin extract helps break down stored fat and increase lean muscle mass. This incredible weight management breakthrough is helping countless men and women lose belly fat and retain toned muscle naturally. Celebrity doctors and nutritionists the world over have endorsed Forskolin as the simplest way of burning fat and keeping it off. Green Force Forskolin contains 20% pure Forskolin extract, which will help you achieve the weight loss results you deserve. The secret behind the hottest weight loss solution. Unlike other dietary supplements which only offer temporary results, Forskolin has a multi-pronged approach towards weight loss. It works at a cellular level to burn not only stubborn fat pockets but also inhibit future fat synthesis. Forskolin helps you not only lose weight but also keep it off. In a 2005 study undertaken at the Department of Health and Sport and Exercise Sciences at the University of Kansas, Forskolin was proven to be highly effective for decomposing body fat, especially stubborn belly fat. The benefits of Green Force Forskolin. Activates fat-burning messenger. Activates CAMP, which encourages the fat-burning process called lipolysis, which in turn releases fat stores to use as energy. Breaks down stubborn fat. Forskolin releases fatty acids from adipose tissue, resulting in the breakdown and ultimately the loss of stored body fat. Prevents future fat synthesis. By raising the metabolic rate and increasing the amount of lean muscle on the body, it prevents new fat formation by burning it off more efficiently. Preserves and builds lean muscle. Many individuals fear losing muscle when trying to lose fat, but Forskolin drives energy consumption primarily through the fat stores. The science behind how Forskolin works to burn fat. How Forskolin works to burn fat. Forskolin stimulates the production of cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP, a molecule that triggers the release of a thyroid hormone that burns body fat and calories. It also sends your metabolism into overdrive and produces natural energy that lasts you all day. This revolutionary breakthrough is your fat melting solution. Prevents the formation of future fat deposits. By raising the metabolic rate and increasing the amount of lean muscle on the body, you are better able to prevent new fat formation by burning it off more efficiently. A study by the International Society of Sports Nutrition has shown that Forskolin supplement can help reduce weight by 10.7% in just 60 days. How to use? Just 3 simple steps to burn fat faster. No need to change your exercise or diet routine. Just use Green Force Forskolin as directed and experience safe and effective weight loss. Take the pill. Take 1 to 2 pills of Green Force Forskolin 2 times a day with a glass of water as directed. Start torching fat. Unleash the natural fat-burning power of your body's metabolism. Transform your body. Lose weight and sculpt the perfect body with a flat belly, a firmer butt and sexier legs. Please visit the link in the description below for more info.